Welcome to a quick tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today we're going to be talking more about autofill and using particular parts of the knowledge base. So on the autofill tab, if we go to autofill new form and we select a form that we want to run, click continue and click start on the select knowledge base option, we'll be presented with 4 different types. So by default, we always have the documents and answers being used when it comes to answering questions. However, we can also use information publicly available in the internet, or we can use the knowledge base from multiple workspaces. This is part of our merging workspaces tutorial, and you can find out more in the linked documents. After this, we have the access type, which is by default public and private documents. However, in your knowledge base, if you've tagged documents as either public or private, you can use either of these buttons to only use those specific documents. After this, we have document selection. Within document selection, we can choose to use all documents by default, or we can click include only. When we include only, we can tick one particular one, and it will only use this document to answer the questions. If we click exclude only, we can click this one and it will use every other document apart from this one in order to answer the questions. For this, I'm going to include only this document. We also have the answers. So very similarly, we have by default all of the answers, but we can also include only specific answers. There's none in this library, or we can exclude specific answers. But again, there's none in this library, so it doesn't matter. We'll just have all answers on for now. Once we've made a selection, we must click Save, and we will see that this has been completed when there is a green tick. Come back in further tutorials to see more about AI agent instructions and guidance documents. If you do have any issues, please do use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner to book a call with one of our analysts, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you very much.